basically a radiation protection apron. So wherever the equipment is used, like in cath labs, CM OTs, where the doctors has to do the procedures, they need to wear these aprons to protect their human bodies from the radiation. So that radiation is very harmful. If at all it goes into the body, it can even damage the tissues, even disturb the DNA also. A doctor can have a cancer also. Some eye cataract can also be done. Skin readiness can also be done. Headache can also be done. So you can say it is a mandatory part, but still we feel that lot of doctors are, even the supporting staff, the technicians who are working in those zones, radiation zones, are not effectively using the required desired protection which need to be done. So we have made these aprons which are completely new technology, vinyl based. So these are non-tearable sheets. There is no tearness and it has a longer life with very lightweight and super flexible aprons. So we have lot different models, the frontal aprons, the full wrap where you cover back and front protection. For the female staff, we have a two-piece skirt vest aprons also. And recently we made a Velcro free. So there is no Velcro. We found that aprons get teared because of Velcro when they are opening it. But in this we have made a locking system. So it's completely Velcro free and complete overlap is there. So there is no chance of tearing of those aprons, and they don't need to replace it every year. That is how we made it. And these are completely a vinyl based apron, so very much flexible and non-tearable sheets. If you see, it's very lightweight, it's just 4 kg weight. So same way we are categorized into different categories of X-ray, CM and cath labs. That depends on the modality which doctors are using.
సో మనం ఇప్పుడైతే నిషికా ఎంటర్ప్రైజెస్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్నాము. వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఆల్ డస్ట్బిన్స్ టైప్లో ఉండేవి అండ్ అన్నీ అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి. లైక్ హాస్పిటల్స్కి యూజ్ చేయవచ్చు, హాస్టల్స్కి, హోటల్స్కి, ఎక్కడ మనము నీడున్నా కూడా వీటిని యూజ్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. డిస్పోసేవ్స్, ఇంజెక్షన్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత తీసేవి అవన్నీ వేస్తాం కదా, సో అలాంటి అన్ని ఐటమ్స్ వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి. వాళ్ళని అడిగి డీటెయిల్స్ తెలుసుకుందాము. హాయ్ అండి, నమస్తే.
Namaste.
Please tell me about your product details and where it is manufactured and
We are Nishik Enterprises. We are manufacturer based in Delhi, and we have been into this field since 2003. So we were first to introduce the sharp containers, a very very urgent and very important product in hospitals waste management to avoid needle stick injuries. And since then our journey has been quite long, 23 years of existence. And we have the products which are most essential in hospital.
Okay.
Biomedical waste management is a topic where very very important things are there, and it's required everywhere in any part of the hospital, because waste management, it's a important what should I say, important thing that has to be done in the hospital, and hospital needs to manage their waste in day to day. Any medical waste can be very infectious, and it has to be disposed of efficiently. And what we do is we provide them all the handling solutions up to from the point of generation to the point of disposal. Yeah, and we have a very good client base as such. We are corporate supplier to a number of hospitals, including diagnostic centers, diagnostic companies, and our product is a quality based product. And as you might have seen that the entire rush is coming, and people from all the medical industry, hospital industry, they approach us for the solution for waste handling. Concept is handling the waste in different colors of dustbin as per their criteria. So all we have red, yellow, blue, black, green dustbins, and they denote different waste that has to be collected accordingly. We have a mopping trolley system for cleaning the floors. We have stainless steel dustbins to keep in canteens and doctors' chambers. Then we have the sharp containers where effectively at a point of use the syringes and needle can be disposed of. And these are puncture-proof containers. So it avoids any needle stick injuries, wherein we have seen so many needle stick injuries are there due to the repetitive use of needles, infectious needles. So it has to be disposed of. Then we do have a trolley system wherein when we segregate the waste and it has to be carried out to the outskirts of the waste segregation plant. So these trolleys are used there. We are Delhi-based company, and we have our office in west part of Delhi, Paschim Vihar, and we have some website like nishikaenterprises.net, nishikaenterprises.com, and different products have different manufacturing systems, and different quality systems are also adopted. So we are open for any kind of OEM, any kind of corporate supplies, and we have a very vast experience. Client list can be furnished at the request, and the prices and all other related details can be sent when contacted with us.
సో చూసారు కదా, మీకు కూడా ఎవరైనా ఇవన్నీ కావాలి అని అనుకుంటే వాళ్ళని కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. సో ఇదైతే ఢిల్లీ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీ అనమాట. మీరు వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన వెబ్సైట్ అడ్రస్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతే సరిపోతుంది.